Hi everyone! Today, we are going to cook special Maja Blanca. You'll need 2 cups of cornstarch, 3 cups of warm water, dissolve the starch, and set aside. In a casserole, combine all the ingredients. 250 grams of corn kernels, 370 milligrams of evaporated milk. Stir it up. Add 250 milligrams of all-purpose cream and 300 milligrams of condensed milk. Place the casserole over medium heat, bring to boil while stirring occasionally. Pour in our cornstarch mixture and stir until it turns into a paste-like consistency. Remove from heat and transfer to your container. Let it cool. Sprinkle top with grated cheese. Our recipe is for 9 pieces of standard cupcake-sized container. Refrigerate and serve chilled.